Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sonoto Show. Before we begin lesson 2, let's quickly check the answer from lesson 1, German reading practice. Exercise A. Fill in the correct pronoun ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. Das ist Thomas. Er kommt aus Deutschland. Hallo, Sarah. Wohin gehst du? Er, Meyer und Frau Smith trinken capital S Z Coffee formal 4 meine Schwester und ich lernen Deutsch. Wir sprechen soon ein bisschen. 5 ist das Buch new? Question mark. Ja, es ist new. Exercise B. Replace the noun with the correct object pronoun. Er, sie, es. Der Tisch ist alt. Er ist alt. Die Lampe ist modern. Sie ist modern. Das Regal ist teuer. Ist teuer. Es. Die Stühle sind bequem. Sie sind bequem because plural. We use sie. Answer. Let's check the answer. Er, du, sie, capital S, for wir, 5, S, er, sie, S, sie. The Sonu Toy Show, Lesson 2, Bringing German to Life, Regular Verb Conjugation, Mastering Conjugation, Presence, Attaching the right ending to turn subjects into action. Welcome back to the Sonu Toy Show. In Lesson 1, you learn the actors ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. Now it's time to give those actors something to do. In German present tense presence, you attach a specific verb ending to match the subject speaking. Once you master the formula, it becomes second nature. The verb factory, how conjugations works. Every German verb in its dictionary from the infinitive usually ends in an. Example, kommen, to come, or wohin, to live. Conjugation is a simple second step process. Step 1. Find the stem, cop of the n ending. Kommen, kom, verb, stem. Wohnen, von, verb, stem. Step 2. Add the ending. Attach the suffix that matches your subject pronoun. The golden ending pattern. Memorize this core rule, a classic memory trick taught across Germany is the acronym ESTTENTEN, the rule of S 10 10. Pronoun ending example common to come example wohnen to live ish ish comma ish wohin do st do kommst du wohnst er sie es t er sie es kommt er sie es wohnt wir n en wir kommen wir wohnen ihr t ihr kommt ihr wohnt sie sie kommen sie capital as sie wohnen capital as z is formal. Special spelling variations, exceptions. German pronunciation prioritize smooth flow, sometimes attaching standard ending creates awkward consonant clusters. Keep these two spelling adaptation in mind. A. Verbs with stem ending in T or D. Insert buffer E. When a verb stem ends in T or D, like arbeiten, stem, arbeit, or antworten, stem, antwort. Insert a buffer E before ST or T ending. Is Arbeit, du arbeitest, er sie es, Arbeit, ihr arbeitet. B verbs with stem ending in S, sh, z, or x. When a verb stem already ends in a sharp S sound like heißen, heißen. Beta B double S, heißen, stem, heise, or tension, stem, tens. Drop the extra S from the do ending. It's take a simple T. Instead, ich heiße, du heißt. Take T instead of ST. Er, sie, es heißt. Pro tips for rapid recall. The infinite twins where V and Z, capital S, Z, they, formal U. Always keep the exact same form as the dictionary. Infinitive en. The er, z, s, and her twin, both third person singular. Er, z, s, and second person plural. Informal, eher. End in T for regular verbs. 4. Practice corner. Ubangan. Exercise A. Fill in the correct verb ending. Ish, com, dash, aus, Indian. Wo, won, dash, do. Marco, Arbeit, dash, be, Zeman. We learn, dash, heute, Deutsch. We heiß, dash, do. Tanz, dash, ihr, gern, question mark. Exercise B. Match the subject pronoun to the correct phrase. Ich, a, want in Berlin. Do, B. Arbeiten bei der Post. Er, trinken einen Kaffee. Wir, lunched, viel Deutsch. I hope you enjoyed today's German lesson and learned something new. Remember, learning German is not about being perfect from the beginning. It is about practicing a little every day. So take what you learn today and try to use it in your daily life. Before you leave, go back and repeat the German words and sentence from today's lesson. Try to say them loud and practice the pronunciation. And if you are learning German with the Sonu Deutsch show, do not forget to like the video, write your practice in the comments, subscribe to the Sonu Deutsch show. We are learning German step by step from the basic to advanced German. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never be afraid of making mistake. Your German will improve with every lesson. Thank you so much for learning with me. I will see you in lesson 3. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss. Ciao.